Everybody, let's make a website. The first thing we're going to do is go to Google and type in the word sites. Now we'll click on Google Sites, sign in. And here you have some choices to make. What's nice about Google Sites is that they will give you a template for your project. You can come up here and look at the template gallery. And there's some nice layouts here. I am actually going to show you how to start from scratch, just in case that's what you're interested in. So here we go. The first thing is we're going to call your untitled site your name. Portfolio. Okay, and so you're going to put your first and last name up there. From there, we're going to build the framework that you will make nice looking and fill in with content. So let's get started. This is your home page, and this is where you're going to put your name. All right, now we are ready to build on that home page. This first page is going to have a picture of you, and it's also going to have a personal statement that you write. So it's just a kind of introduction to who you are. But we're going to make several other pages that will help everyone get to know your skills, the classes you've taken, your interests, all in a really controlled, kind of curated way. So let's get into that. Over here on the right hand side, you can choose layouts. We're not going to mess with that right now. What we're going to do is we're going to add pages. So I've clicked on pages. I'm coming down here to the plus button. And the first new page that I'm going to make is called Work and School. I type it in, I hit done, and I have a page. Okay, I'll get more into what goes on this page with you and the rubric later on, but right now we're just going to continue adding pages. So the next one is going to be called Recognition. Here's where you're going to put some things where you have won awards, you've had positions of leadership. Maybe you've started to notice that across the top we are getting links to those pages appearing. Okay, let's continue adding. The next page is going to be called Acknowledgements. Okay, ways that you've been recognized. Now, something to note is that this is not all fitting together. So what we can do to mess around with that is pull this a little bit. You can also change the size of the letters. I have to highlight it first. Whatever it is that you decide to do up here, lettering wise, I just suggest that you keep it consistent. Okay, so anyway, we'll mess around with that another time. We're going to continue adding pages. Here's another one. This one is going to be called Career Plans. All right, the next one is called Activities. These are extracurricular things that you've been involved in. Next, skills. This is where you will put your essay, because writing is a skill, And you'll also list other things like if you know how to work the 3D printer and software and things in the TV studio, all kinds of skills that you've built over the last 4 years of high school. Okay, finally, our last page is going to be called About and Your Name. And this is where you're just going to house some more personal information about you, include some pictures from your life, and list some of your interests. So again, as you can see, what's nice about the tabs across the top is it makes it really easy to navigate your website, and we'll get into making it pretty next.